Hey, this is Vito's Italian Cucina. Thanks for joining us today. Oh my God, what a show. Listen, you see this young lady right here? This is Erinn Bell. This is a longtime friend of mine. We met, we're both in the motion picture business, and well, I'm unemployed right now, but she's working, you know, and she's been doing it for a long time. And in fact, I've been trying to get her to come to the show and cook her collard greens, and also her mother, Ms. Bell, is here too. And when you hear this voice in the background over there, you know that's Ms. Bell, and you don't want to argue with her. You know, I'm going to tell you right now. Anyway, together, we're going to put together this. And Erinn used to bring the collard greens to work, and I was like, oh, I was out of my mind. You know what I mean? And it's so good. And I thank you for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, God, this is great. And Ms. Bell,
Thank you for having me.
Oh, very good. She's gone through the ranks, but her title right now, she's a boss. And her title is, they call it the DIT. What's that stand for?
Digital Imaging Technician.
Digital Imaging Tech. Maybe you can help me with my image. She just got off a show. I could talk about it. Tim Allen show, Shifting Gears,
Yes,
right?
correct.
And she's we worked together on the George Lopez show, on the Connors. Mm-hmm. You know the Connors, number one ABC sitcom for the longest time. This is a beautiful thing that she's given us this time to do this here, and we're going to jump into the collard greens. She's going to explain this. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Erinn Bell.
Okay. Well, today we'll be making mustards and turnips and collard greens. Today we have the mustard and turnips with ham hocks, and we have the mustard and turnips with smoked turkey, as well as collard greens with ham hocks.
Ooh, wow. Mm-hmm. Wow, what an array. Yeah. Now, this takes a little bit of time to to prepare and to cook, right?
Yes.
So that's the reason why you have like a finished product already here. Yes. But we are going to show them how we do it with the products that you brought, right?
Yes, we are.
Okay, I'll be quiet. All right. Go ahead.
Well, we wash these greens thoroughly with some vinegar, sometimes salt, and you're soaking them from one side to the next. My family does not like the stems and the greens. I did not grow up eating them that way. It's upsetting when I see them. So for me, I was taught with my grandmother and my family to start from the top, take them all the way down, so you get most of that leaf.
Ooh.
This is pretty, so we would sit around in the kitchen. As such, we take them, roll them up, and we slice them down the middle. So shorter.
What's in those pots?
Just water. That's how we flavor the greens. And we'll have one pot that's already on simmer. And we have that for the collards, and then we have one for the mustard and turnip. What we do is we put the ham hocks.
Oh, look at those.
Look at these.
Oh, look at those.
You know?
Ooh, look at that. Oh, my goodness. Mm-hmm. Ooh. My football coach said that my legs look like ham hocks. He did. Anyway.
We drop these into the water. Usually you want the water to cover just at the top of the ham hocks.
Okay, they're simmering. They look great. What's next?
Next is we will add the veggies to the greens. I will scoop about half this to each pot. So I'm going to do half of this plate of garlic, as well as half of this plate here.
Next?
The oil.
Oh, oil. Is this oil? Both of them?
Both of them.
Oh, is one for each pot?
Yes.
Okay. Just like that. And then over there?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. What's next?
The vinegar.
Oh, the vine guard. Okay, I love it. There we go. Just like that. And like that. So this is the garlic.
That's the garlic.
Okay, here we go. Just a little bit. Still grandma way. How's that?
That's perfect.
Oh.
We have sugar because this is what's it dilutes the vinegar. So
okay.
It balances out the flavor. So we'll do a handful.
A big handful in each one?
Yes.
Really? Mm-hmm. Good thing I washed my hands. Mm-hmm. Sugar. Here we go. Like that?
Mm-hmm. Nice.
I've done this before.
Yes, you have.
Yeah.
Salt. Just a pinch of salt in each one.
There's the salt.
That's kosher salt.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. Oh, and what is this right here?
Now, I live by Tony's seasoning. Okay.
Okay, like that?
Perfect.
Oh, that's it?
Yes. And
Wow.
then- yes.
Okay. And then over here, same thing.
Okay, so we have mustard and turnips in this bowl, and I will just grab them by my tiny hand and put them on top. Let them emerge into the water that we just flavored with ham hocks. Put a lid on this, and voila, these will now simmer.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like
What? I'm going to have my taste right now. And first of all, I want to thank Erinn, Chef Erinn, my good friend, and Ms. Bell.
You're welcome.
There she is. And I want to thank you for watching. You got to write this down. You got to do this. Thank you for joining us here on Vito's Italian Cucina. Remember, go to YouTube and go to vitositaliancucina.com. What Erinn and her mother does also is they feed the hungry. Am I right?
Yes. We go out and feed the unhoused and the homeless. We feed them with home-cooked meals or any donated meals, as well as provide them with clothes and shoes. And that's the brown bag lady.
Like I said, thank you for joining us on Vito's Italian Cucina. But there's one more thing.
You can follow me on thebellmovement.com, where I do host retreats. And with those retreats, we have meals where we cook and, we travel, we talk about our lives and things that, help us take care of our mental and emotional health as we go through this life. And at the end of those retreats, we usually fellowship and have a meal. So you might end up with some collard greens. You might end up with a taste of Spain. There are many places you may end up, but right now I'm here with Vito celebrating. So if you want to continue and see where I'm at on my journeys, thebellmovement.com, the Bell Movement on Instagram, and Bell Movement on Substack.
And is it spelled B-E-L-L?
B-E-L-L.
All right. That's how. Don't miss this. You got to go there. Thanks again.
I appreciate it.
Ciao for now. Ciao. Okay, here we are. Family, eating together, sharing. What do you? Fellowship. Fellowship. That's right. Does anybody want to pray? You guys pray? You know, somebody asked me the other day. They said, "Do you pray before dinner?" I says, "No, my mom was a good cook." Hey, all right. Vito's Italian Cucina. How you like this one? This is Ms. Bell. This here is Erinn Bell, and this here is Narita May Giambal. Yeah, a salute. Give me one of these. I love it. Ciao. All right, we got it.